Okay guys, now we need the perfect beverage to top off all of our wonderful dishes that we've made for Cinco de Mayo celebration. And I'm going to show you my favorite style of margarita, a scratch style margarita. All right, so we're going to jump right into it. First of all, you need a couple of lemons and a bunch of limes. Now we're going to make several, so I've got a lot of lime juice and lemon juice combo right here, unsweetened. Then you need your bowl with your salt, okay? I like the Himalayan pink salt, plus if you brim a glass with this, it looks so pretty, you guys. And our glasses, all right? Now, one of my limes that I used, and I don't mind it having some pith on it, to me that's just pretty. Really shows that it's real. All right, now into the salt we go. Look how gorgeous is that. And we're ready to make our margaritas. We are ready to go ahead and mix them up. We are going to use, for this one, we're going to use Jimador. This is a 100% agave based tequila. All right, so now into our mixer, our shaker is going to go 2 shots of the juice, all right, and 2 shots of the tequila. And 1 good squirt of agave. We're not going to worry about doing a simple syrup with this because it's going to be shaken in the shaker. All right. And our ice is already in there. All right. I think that's about 30 seconds. Now, I believe we shook that for about 30 seconds. That's what they say anyway. And in we go. Oh, look at that beautiful color. You know what, you guys? I don't know if you're like me, but I'm not a big cocktail person. And I've had margaritas at places even like special, like the margarita place, you know. Never cared for it. Never cared for it. Until I had it homemade. And then I said, still not that big of a cocktail person, but it's much better, and I liked it. Well, there you go. Scratch-made margarita with Jimador tequila. Now, I'm going to show you another one. Okay, now for our second margarita, we're going to use something different. At the Windsor Cellars Distillery, they make all of their spirits derived from grapes, which is really cool. And if you want to visit there, check out my vlog on that, guys, and we'll link that for you. The vlog on our trip up to the Windsor Cellars Distillery. Today, we're going to use their White Widow, which is very reminiscent, very, very close to the taste of tequila. So we're going to use that in our second margarita. All right, so here we go. We have our glass prepped. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Shaker first. All right. Now, into our ice. And that's our, remember, our lemon and lime combo on that juice, unsweetened. Okay. And then we have two of those, and then again, nice good squirt of agave. And we shake. I think that's about 30 seconds. All right, lid off. Woo, that thing got cold, cold, cold. Oh yes. How pretty is that? Looky there. And there we go. Another scratch-made margarita for you, featuring the Windsor Run Cellars Distillery White Widow. We gotta give this a little taste test, you know that. Woo. Oh goodness, that's good. It's so fresh, you guys. That lemon and lime, forget the sour mix. Crap, oh my word, that stuff, no. Make it yourself. It only takes a few minutes and it is well worth it. You guys gotta give this a try. When you do, leave me a comment, throw me up a like, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and you can see this and all the other wonderful videos we're uploading for you each and every week. I hope this tops off your Cinco de Mayo celebration. You guys have fun and be safe. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.